Hello, good morning, children. How are you? All of you fine now? I think all of you take a breakfast. Okay, today I will teach the lesson number 2, clean habits in social science. Understood? Which lesson? Clean habits. Before I start the lesson, I show a picture in your textbook. Look at the children's. There is a boy and you identify the parts of the body. Okay. Which are the parts of the body? Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, legs, hands and head. These are the very important parts of our body. Understood? Which are the parts of our body? Head, ears, nose, mouth, hands, fingers and leg. Understood? What are the functions of these parts? What do you do with your eyes? What do you do with your eyes? We see the things now. We have two eyes. It is very important for all human beings. Without eyes, we cannot see anything. So ears, with ears, with the help of ears, we hear the sound. No. Nose is also very important. It is also very important part of our body. With the help of our nose, we smell the things. And mouth, it is also very important. We eat the food. What are the uses of hands? With hands, we do the work. What are the uses of fingers? We kept the things in our hands. No. Legs also very important. We walk from one place to another place. So these are all very important for every children. So today how to kept clean our body parts. You know, body is very important. Clean our body and care our body. So clean our body and surroundings is very important. Cleanliness is cleanliness and good care of our body. Keep all parts of our body clean, being healthy. We must clean our body. Understood? When we unclean body, make sick. Healthy mind is keep healthy body. So, the good habits are very important for our healthy body. Now let us discuss about the good habits. To keep yourself every day. To keep yourself clean every day. Good habit makes a person healthy and happy. Understood? Before I explain the lesson, first I will tell you what you do before and after eating. What you should do before and after eating? Wash your hands before and eating food. Eat food clean and fresh. Do not eat too much food. Do not talk while eating and eat food that is kept in the open. You cannot eat food that is kept in the open. Chew your food well. Don't waste your food. After your meat, wash your mouth and hands. Use your own handkerchief. You clean your hands. Now I will tell you how to clean your parts of the body. I tell you some tips to keep yourself clean every day. When you get up early in the morning, no childrens, first you go to toilet. After that, brush your teeth every morning. Take a bath daily in the morning. Wash your legs while coming out of toilet. Comb your hairs with your own comb. Wear a clean and tidy uniform and clothes. Keep your home clean and tidy. Don't bite your nails. You use the nail cutter. Don't throw waste paper everywhere. Put the waste paper into the dustbin. Understood? Where you put the waste paper? Into the dustbin. Don't write on the walls. Understood? Don't write on the walls. These are very important for every children. They remember. So, cleanliness is very important for every children. Clean habits. So children, here is one picture. They give the parts of the body with their work. To match the parts of the body. Hi, there is a I know. What do you do with our eyes? What is the function of the eyes? To see the things. So here there are some objects are there. Radio, cycle, TV, pencil, mic. No, you match the things. With eyes you see the TV. Hands you do the work. You write with the help of pencil. Nose. What do you nose? What is the importance of nose? You smell the things, no? Mouth match to mic is there, no? Legs to run the cycle. With here, we hear the songs or news with the help of radio. So there is another picture is there in page number 46. In first picture, the children's playing. Where you playing? With home or in ground or in school? So we play in the playground only. Do not play in the classroom or in home. That is the good habit. Understood? And also the girl is reading. Sit properly and read every day. The teacher do in the class. In third picture, the children are clean the floor. School ground, no? Cleanliness is also very important. You clean our surroundings. And also chewing the food. So these are the very important. Chew your food well. Do not waste your food. Understood? Next I will tell you some general good habits that children should follow. Obey the rules of school. Don't be late. Be punctual. Be regular in studies. And do your work. Do not postpone your studies or work to the next day. Obey the school rules. Obey the road rules. Children, I know you are all good children. That's why everyone says you are a good children. Stand in a queue. Wait for your turn at the bus stop. This is the good manners. I know you are all good children, but yet obey your parents and teachers and respect your parents and teachers. Sorry when you make a mistake, when you hurt some other. That is very important for children. Understood? Body clean is very important. Take a bath daily in the morning. Wash your legs. Cut your nails. Eat a good food, good vegetables, fresh and good vegetables. And drink a milk every day. Milk is nutritious food. No? So these are the tips. Eat so much of water every day. Water is very important for digestion. Without digestion, we feel sick. So, good food, clean our body, good habits. These are the good habits. Understood, children? What do you learn today? How to clean ourselves. How to clean our body. What do you learn today? Get up early. When you get up early in the morning, you brush first. You clean our teeth. Take a bath every day. Use your own towels after the bath. Before you take the food, clean your hands, and after the food, you also wash your hands cleanly. Cut the nails every day. When you become a sneeze or cough, you use your own handkerchiefs. When your hairs are dry, no, you put a oil to your hairs and use your own comb to your ears. These are the very important things for every children. Understood, children? What do you learn? These are the important things we learn today. Our body parts are very important. So, children, today I will stop this lesson. In the next class I will continue. Till you, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.